Age-locked.
So, other companies, this is what they do. Parang, if this is your skin, tapos yung water, yung signs ng aging, other companies, they offer MOPs. Kahit gaano mura pa yan, kahit 20 pesos pa yan, parang if it doesn't work on your skin, sobrang sayang lang yung 20 pesos mo. So ano siya, they can offer MOPs all they want, but it doesn't really solve the problem. What we do is we just simply turn the tap off. So other companies, they just target the signs, we target the real source of aging. Therefore, pati yung signs, na-address na rin. So these are some of the products na part ng ageLOCK. One is this Galvanic Spa. Ang tawag namin sa kanya is yung Beauty iPad, yung medyo wrinkle iron siya. Pero sa mga feeling young, Beauty iPad, yung mga wala pang wrinkles, o yung akala nila wala silang wrinkles. So it helps you lose 10 years. It's had a lot of media coverage already. Kilala natin si Nicole Kidman.
Yes.
So si Nicole Kidman, she was asked sa Vogue Germany, sabi niya, she swears daw by the Galvanic Spa. She never steps on the red carpet without using Galvanic Spa. It's not a paid advertisement, Shinare lang talaga niya because she's using the products. Brad Pitt is also using Galvanic Spa. Dana Delaney, familiar with Desperate Housewives?
Yes.
So Dana Delaney, she's 55 years old. This April lang, she was named the world's most beautiful woman. Kasi hindi naman siya mukhang 55. Diba? World's most beautiful woman. Sabi niya, I've been using New Skin for 20 years. I'm a distributor and I just distribute to myself. Sa product. So, ayan siya. She actually had an interview, may nakuha kong clip niya Tapos sabi niya nga, parang she's been using New Skin products for 20 years. Tapos when Galvanic was first parang launched in the market, she was one of the first to grab Galvanic. Kate Moss, hindi pa po siya matanda. Sabi niya dito, no wonder high-profile models, including Kate Moss, have been converted. There are actually a lot of other artistas. Galvanic Spa, what does it do? It's actually perfect for the face, body, tsaka sa hair. So let's explain further. Ayan, for the face po, it helps you use 10 years worth of lines and wrinkles. Pagkabata ka naman, gusto niyo bang wag nang magka-wrinkles?
Yes.
Mag-age, yung magkaka-wrinkles ka pa rin naman, pero hindi na yung sobrang ganon, yung ganon. Parang you will age. Kasi you notice how there are people who looks 10 years younger than their age. There are those who looks 10 years older than their age. They found out that it's all in the genes. Mas mabilis daw mag-repair yung mga genes ng mga tao who looks younger. Mabagal yung repair ng mga people who looks older. That's why they're looking older. Ang ginagawa na ng Galvanic is ng ageLOCK is it levels the playing field. Whether pinanganak ka na ganun or it helps your skin talaga, parang your genes na ma-nourish para whether yun talaga yung genetic makeup mo, pa rin siya, parang you will still look younger than your age. So what we do talaga is half face lang. So mamaya, half face lang muna tayo. But why do we do half face? Half face lang po kasi if you're serious about taking care of your skin, you would want to see talaga kung nag-work ba yung products. Kaya po, we want to do it half face muna. Kasi pagka isang side, kasi like this matanda pa rin naman siya, di ba? Pero if you didn't see the side which was not done, parang ang dami na palang nagbago after just a 10-minute session. Notice yung eye bags niya. Ito, actually, if maganda yung lighting, makikita niyo pa may mga spots pa yan siya Pati ito, makikita niyo pa na itong line, may mga lines siya dyan. This also, ito yung side na nagawan, ito yung side na hindi. Medyo nagsasali yung kabilang side medyo firmer na. Tapos may mga spots din sa sobrang dami pang pictures, next slide na lang yung iba. That's after 10 minutes. Stretch marks, may mga stretch marks ba?
Yes.
Meron? Siya? Stretch marks, actually, the Galvanic Spa, it's made talaga for cellulites. Pero even for people na stretch marks, it does that talaga also.